Hey, since joining your course, I started networking through Sales Navigator and LinkedIn,
Cool.
and it's a bit automated. And I've tried to use some of the things that I've learned through the program. And one of those is after a couple of touch points, I have an idea I'd like to get your opinion on. I'm not getting a lot of traction with that,
Okay.
and I haven't reached out to them directly, but I wanted to get some advice on trying to move the ball forward and getting some contacts to reach back out to me without being a nuisance.
Yeah, you can take everything that you're about to learn in ECCP when it goes live, and you can put those hooks into your networking, into your whatever that automated tool is. But I mentioned this in the ECCP course. Nothing's going to be more powerful than you actually calling them, because they know that everybody else is using AI. Right? I at least three, because I still make calls. I've called a few of you to sign up. I still make calls at least 3 times a day. I get somebody testing me to see if I'm AI, because they're like, damn, you sound like the real person. And I'm like, really? I do? And they're like, yeah. What AI? Can you tell me what AI you are? And they talk lower and louder. I'm like, I am human, version 1. Like, people are so shocked that I'm actually calling them. It has become such a differentiator for all of us. Like, and I mentioned in the course, just start with 5 phone calls a day. Like, just give me 5. And I think what you're going to find is you're going to get a lot more traction than you will with the marketing blast. And I'm not saying anything bad about the marketing blast. Keep doing that too. But I would classify that as almost more general marketing, and you actually reaching out and calling them and talking to them human to human is more like sales. But I'm proud of you for setting that up. That's badass. You'll get about 7 more hooks.
Yeah, I think when I follow up, then I'll just mention we're connected on LinkedIn and then talk to them about the idea.
Yeah, something going on that nobody's talking about. And make sure if you're blasting them something that you're not blasting the insight, that you're blasting your phone number. Yeah.
Yeah, very generous.
You're on the right track. This course is really going to help you.
Hey, Matt.
Yep.
What's the nicest thing you've done for salespeople?
The nicest thing I've done for salespeople, I think we should do it right now. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give them the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. You're going to cover the cost. It's coming out of your pocket. Heather's going to cover all the cost for you. I want you to click the link here. I will get you the closing mini masterclass. You're going to close more deals. You're going to make more money. You're going to have more fun. Things are going to be great for you. And she's picking up the tab. You're welcome. She's picking up the tab. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.